Hello lovelies, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make tomato paste in our own kitchen. Very simple and easy. It's just like the tomato paste you buy from the market. The difference is that this does not contain any color, no preservatives, no cornstarch. We are actually going to use only 2 ingredients for this. But before we go on, please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Click on the bell icon to get notifications. Like and share this video. So we are using fresh tomatoes and beetroot. These are the only 2 ingredients we are going to use for this recipe. Okay, very simple. So we'll slice all our tomatoes and we are going to cook it. We'll also slice our beetroots and then add it to the tomatoes and cook it. You can do this without the beetroot, but the beetroot gives it that awesome color. Do you get it? And so let's slice the beetroot. We already have our pan on fire and we are going to cook this. We are not going to add water to it. We are going to use the tomato juice to cook it, so no need to add water. So we'll cover this and then give it time for it to cook and for the vegetables to be tender. Do you get it? Okay, so we are checking on it, and at this time or at this point it's ready. So we are going to put off the fire and let it cool before we will blend it. Okay, please like and share this video for me. So this is it. We are going to blend it, and so we are going to scoop everything into our blender and then we are going to blend it. Click on the bell icon so that when I upload a new video, you'll get notifications. You get it? And so what I did was I did not remove the seeds of the tomatoes because at the end of the day, we'll strain it. So there's no need removing the seeds, but you can also decide to remove it. So after blending, this is the result. I'm still going to use the sieve to strain it, okay? And then get any excess chaff from it. Now with the excess chaff, I'm not going to throw them away, okay? I'm going to blend it again. I'm not going to add water to it. I'll use my small grinder, which will aid it, grind it very well for me to get it very smooth, okay? And so this is our tomatoes when we strained it. This is it. And then this is the chaff that I grinded perfectly smooth. So we are going to add everything and then pour everything into our pan on fire, and we are going to cook this till we get all the excess water from it. Do you get it? So we want to get all the moisture out. Do you get it? Please like and share this video. Leave a comment for me, okay? Click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified, okay? So let's check on it. You don't have to just cover and go and sit somewhere. You have to be stirring here and there so that you don't get all your tomatoes stuck under the saucepan. Do you get it? Okay. And so let's check on it again, and at this point you can see it has really cooked down. It is dry now. So at this point, you're going to put off the fire and then allow it to cool down very well. Do you get it? So you can see this is very simple to make. Very, very simple. So if you have tomatoes in excess, you can turn some into tomato paste. And so our tomato paste is ready. And this is it. Very simple and awesome. The taste is just like the tomato paste you buy from the market. Very nice. So just give this a try, okay? And you're going to love it. Look at the color. Very beautiful. You see, so that what I will do is to just get a tight container, and I'm going to pour airtight container, yes, and then pour it in, and then I'll cover and store it in my freezer. Whenever I need it, I will just take it and then use it. Do you get it? So this is our tomato paste. Very simple recipe. Okay, so give it a try. You're going to love it. Once again, if you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe for me, like and share this video for me, leave a comment, click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notification. Thanks for watching. Watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.